When marimba rhythms start to play, dance with me.
This is a really cool transition, isn't it? I made this video in FilmoraGo and today I will show you how to do this. We have to shoot as if in the opposite direction, starting with the second outfit and change it to the first. We go to the end of the video and trim the first part of our transition. Trim to the point where movement began. Delete unnecessary part and we place this particle first. Also we have to trim another part to the point where movement began. Don't forget about effects and we choose this one and put it when the hands go up. Trim it a little bit and we have this. Also I would like to add effects on this part and I choose this one. I would like this effect to be on the whole part where we change the outfit. And that's what we have.
When marimba rhythms start to play, dance with me, make me.
I think here we can add a little bit speed and we can save in high quality and enjoy the video.